In this, we have discussed the impact of the US reciprocal tariff on Indian exports. Will be examined on the following export items from India to US. Number one, automobile and ancillary. Number two, gems and jewelry. Number three, textile. Number four, metals. Number five, capital goods. Number six, pharmaceutical. Number seven, Indian IT exports. Automobile ancillary, since India has a minuscule share of the US automobile market, the impact will be uh, the, the impact will be concentrated on a few manufacturers, according to Asika Institute research. Tata Motors has an exposure through Jaguar Land Rover JLR, which sells over 1/3 of the volume to the US. These models are manufactured in UK and India facilities, which will attract respective tariffs. Royal Enfield, which has mid-size category share of 8% in the US market, may also show a marginal impact among auto ancillary makers. Samvardhan Motherson International, given the distributed nature of its manufacturing facility across the globe. Including the US, Europe, Africa, will show a mixed impact. Other companies such as Bharat Forge, Ramkrishna Forgings, and Sona BLW Precision Forgings will also be affected. Number two, gems and jewelry. According to market estimates, tariff on loose diamonds and gold jewelry may rise to 20% and 7% from nil. According to ICICI Direct, reciprocal tariffs will lead to US retailers to search for other supplying options with lesser tariffs, which is negative for the Indian exporters. Companies with India-centric business model for Indian exporters, including Titan Company, P. N. Gadgil Jewelers, Thanga Mail Jewelry, will be on investors' radar. Number three, textile. Number three, textile, a relatively lower tariff when compared with highly competitive, highly competitive, low-cost producers such as China, Vietnam, and Bangladesh. Top these three exporters to the US put India textile manufacture at an advantage. In addition, according to ICICI Direct, the US already imposes 33% tariff on man-made fiber product and 6 to 16% on other textile products from India, exposing latter segment to higher tariffs. Major textile exporters including Gokal Das Exports, Bardhaman Textile, Arvind are likely to be benefited. On a flip side, a concern is that the low-cost nations may increase exports to India. Number 4, metals. According to Prabhudas Liladhar, steel exports from India already attracts 25% US tariff from 2018, which has largely made it an unattractive market. For aluminium exporters, the tariff will increase to 27%. From the current exporter, the tariff will increase 27% from the current 10%. A significant jump. In addition, a possibility of dumping from China may affect the profitability of Indian metal producers such as Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Vedanta, and Hindalco. Number 5, capital goods. ICICI Direct points out that companies across industrial products, bearing and solar modules have 20 to 50% exposure to the US market. The actual impact needs to be seen given higher tariffs imposed on major suppliers like China. The outcome of Indian government negotiations with the US may also change over the impact. Number 6, pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals are exempt from the reciprocal tariffs, which is a big positive for Indian pharma sector and may benefit companies with exposure to the US, including Sun Pharma, Lupins, Glenmark Pharmaceutical. However, medical device manufacturers come under the purview of these tariffs. Number 7, Indian IT exposure. Indian IT exporters may also pressure on revenue and profitability if their global clients cut IT budgets to cope with the impact of higher tariff on their performance. This may affect the performance of major software exporters, including TCS, Infosys, SCL Technology, and Wipro. Ranjit Sindhe has rightly said about US reciprocal tariff as tariff nama, lose some, gain some. India must produce the quality of the product, must focus on the quality of the product, which must be international standard. That's all. Thank you for watching this video and listening.